Today's March 1st, 2007. My name is Fred Hernandez from Florida Roof Testing. We're about to perform a pile uplift test under Florida Building Code 2004, test protocol TAS 106. The purpose of the test is to determine the uplift resistance pressure of the tile on the roof. So our understanding, this roof was coated approximately a year ago by all surface restorations. Okay, we're going to apply pressure to 100 pounds and to measure the uplift resistance of the tile. Okay, we're holding at 100 pounds. 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds at 100 pounds. There we go. Test number 2. Perimeter.
Have you seen anything, Joe, like that yet? That's holding in those kind of pressures, or what's the usual?
Various systems. We haven't tested any because it's really not required to test them. But at your request, I will test the system.
Have you seen anything that has that type of strength that's resisted the tile lift like that at that pressure?
No. Actually, a foam applied system will generally test at about 35 to 45 pounds. That would be a medium patty. Larger patty would probably test around 50 to 60, 65 pounds.
Wow. Well, I guess we're doing pretty good here so far, huh?
Yeah. Considering I don't know what the attachment method on this roof for the tile is, but I would suspect that given the age of the building, it's mortar set, and mortar set will generally fail at a much lower rate. We previously tested the ridge cap, hip cap. Now we're going to a perimeter edge and testing the first tile of the existing roof system. The test, we're going to try to take it up to 100 pounds and hold for 5 seconds. 5 seconds. As you can see, put the gauge back to 0, 100 pounds. Okay. Basically what you have here is a monolithic system. It's all coated, it's all sealed into one unit. The likelihood, you have less chance of wind uplift getting in here than on anything else. And really the most vulnerable part is the first tile, or the perimeter edge in corner.
Why is that? The obvious, right?
That's where it'll take the brunt of the wind speed.
Right, the obvious, sure.
That's the first part of any system that's going to fail.
Right.
Is the corners and the perimeter.
Gotcha. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah. 180.